In this video I'm going to show you how you can do double exposure in Photoshop. This is the image, my image, which I'm going to showcase to you today, how you can do a double exposure with this particular image. So let's start. This is the second image, which I have kept it in my desktop. I'm going to drag it here, right? This is the image. You position it to your requirement. So I'm going to position it to the hair, half of the hair, little bit, which I'm going to double exposure here. Try to reposition it as per your requirement. So you can use your mouse and press enter. Use curves and change the color, bring it little bit darker, whatever the requirement, you change it. Press W from the keyboard and use subject selection from the drop down. Click it and then position the image. And use clip mask and then drag it as per your need. Then use blending to blend the image. So you can see here, I'm just trying to replace it, the blend mode. Tilt it a little bit down, little bit more, and press enter. Pick a color from eyedropper tool and pick color showing here. Take a layer, then mask it. You make the changes, use the eyedropper. See how I'm doing it here. The color has been picked up. Do it slowly, don't do it in a rush. Give a gentle stroke here. The area where you want to make the exposure, change the color, do it a little bit more here, some more. We are nearly done here. Change a little bit down near the ear sections, little bit. Yeah, that's it. Great. So we are nearly done with it. Near the eyes area, above the forehead, a little bit here. So it depends upon your requirement, like what are the exactly areas you want to make the exposure. This is how it's being done, the double exposure in Photoshop. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will be looking forward for more this type of video in future. Keep watching this channel. Thank you. Have a great day.